All right, welcome again to today's episode of WordPress website development series. My name is Michael Fabulous and you can call me Fab for short. All right, today I'm going to show you how to install a theme. Okay, a theme actually change the perception of your website, how your website appears, how it looks. It adds beautiful touches and it gives you the framework to work with. It's kind of the framework, the structure of a the okay, how do we put it in a building? These are just the pillars, the beams, the blocks that you have to actually build your house. Okay, it helps to give your website the feel, the appearance that you need. So let me just stop with all these long explanations and dive right in and show you how to select a theme and now show you what a theme does. By visualizing it yourself, you would understand what I have been trying to explain. Right now, to do this, just log into your WordPress dashboard. You know how to do that already. Once you're logged in, now just scroll down and come to this place where you see appearance. Then once you hover on the button on the very text, you have this window opened up for you. Now select the one that says themes, not editor, but themes. Click on it, allow it to load up. By default, we'll have some themes there already. Okay, now we'll allow it to load up. Now we have these themes here, 2024, 2025, and we have 2023. And the one that we are currently on is 2025. Okay, let me refresh this our website here. Let's see. Okay, you see what happened. This is the one we are using currently. So when you switch to 2023, let's see what happens. Just click on this activate. I'm just showing you by default what we have here. Then after this, I will show you how to get some other themes and how to install them. Okay, 2023 has been activated. Now when we come here, just take note of how everything here looks. Okay, let's refresh. We have activated 2023 theme and let's wait for boom. You see, everything just changed. I think I love 2023 more than 2025. Okay, so this is what you have here. This is what you have here. This is how this whole thing it looks like. Okay, let me go to home. Let me see how it looks here. Okay, we are here, home. Okay, wow. All right, that's good. Okay, now let me activate this other theme down here, 2023. Is this 2023? Okay, this is 2025. This is, which one did we activate last? I think 2024. Let's see. Now it has been activated. Let me refresh and see what happens here. Okay, you see how this one looks like. All right, but this is just the least you could get with this. Okay, now this added green button to our contact, green color to our contact button, and then our quote has changed too, but this is just all you get with this. Now to add some other themes, this is what we do. Just come here, click on add theme. Okay, once you click on add theme, you wait for it to load up, or you can actually click here to do that also. Here, a list of themes, available themes will appear here. We'll have let's wait for them to load up. Okay, now we have these themes. Okay, this is one of my favorite, Astra. I use Astra a lot. I use it a lot. So we're going to install and activate we're going to activate some themes and see how it looks on our website. These are different themes. We have themes for anything, for basically everything. Let's say you want to build a blog. Just type blog. You have themes for blog. Okay, these are what most people do. When you install the theme, some comes with pre-made templates that you can import, then change some certain things, then the blog is yours. These are themes for blog. You can install and activate. This is Blogger. Install, activate. Choose the one that best fits what you want to do. This is blog. This is blog. These are all blogs. Okay. Now let's say you want to build a website for that you want to build an online store. Just type online store. You will see. Now you've seen that the online store has loaded up. I was having network breakdown issues and all of that. Let's say you want to build an online store. Now you just searched for it and this pops up. You select the one that best fits what you need to build. These are all online store. If you know Jumia in Nigeria, you can actually use one of these very template theme to build an online store like that. And I need to mention that some of these themes are paid themes and some are free. And almost all of them, when you start, you have a free period which covers almost everything that you need to do. And there are a way to actually use other plugins to do some other things, free plugins to do some other things that you want to do if you don't want to pay for it. But if you want to build for a bigger company, or if you want to build for a brand, I suggest you pay and get the theme so that you can actually have the whole functionalities. But without paying, you can actually do a whole lot with these themes. Okay, you can do a whole lot, and we are going to use free themes during the course of this training, and you see how we're going to use free themes to do a whole lot. Build online store, build blog, build charitable organization kind of website, build a church website, anything at all. Even a trading platform, cryptocurrency websites, even online banking, even tracking website. We'll do all of this in this training. You see how you can actually do them. All right, now let me go back to using Astra. Like I said, I love using Astra. Let's see how this will work out. Okay, I will install Astra, then we'll see how our website looks like. Then we come back, and with Astra you can actually get some free demos, okay, to use for your website. Okay, let me see. I typed in Astra and what happened? Okay, let me take it out. It should be one of the first ones up here. Let's go to popular. Let's see the popular ones. Okay, now we have Hele Elementor and we have 2024. Then we have Astra. So let's install this Astra. Installing Astra. I love Astra because it is lightweighted. It is very light. It is not heavy. Okay, it's very light. So it is installing. Let's activate. All right, it's activating. Got it here loading. Okay, it has finished activating. Now let's come back to this website and click on refresh. Let's see what happens. Wow, did you see something here? If you just saw this, you will know that this looks amazing. This really looks amazing. Okay, now we can actually build from here. We can build from here. Okay, we can build from here, add our plugins, add some other things, do whatever that we want to do. All right, this is how to choose a theme. Let me go back. Let me choose another theme, for example, so that you understand what just happened. Let me choose another theme. We've done that with 2025 theme, 2023, and I think 2022. Okay, let me just scroll, find. Okay, let's use Cadence. Cadence is also another powerful tool, another powerful theme. Let me install Cadence. Okay, let me activate. All right, it has been activated. Look at it here. Look at it here, activated. So let's refresh. Don't worry, you will see everything. As we keep adding things, you see Cadence. Okay, this is another powerful theme. So it all depends on what you need to do, what you need to build. Okay. All right, let me go back to installing Astra. Let's activate Astra, and from there we can build. So this is simply how to install your theme, how to search for your theme, get the ones that you want, then you activate them. So when we want to build a blog, we'll come back here. I'll show you a theme to choose and we'll build our blog. Then after that, you can actually choose your own theme. Or maybe after building the blog, yes, that's the right way to do it. After building the blog, adding our content and everything, we'll come back and we'll switch themes and you see what happens. You see how different themes will make your website appear, how it will look. You see the one that makes it look more beautiful, more appeasing and appealing to the eyes. And while checking for ecstasy, for the one that gives more beauty to your website, you also have to take into consideration that some of these themes are heavy. Some of them would make your website to lag, to load very slowly. So while looking out for the one that is more beautiful, you also take into consideration that you need to choose a light theme so that when someone visits your website, it will very fast. It will load up very fast. It will be very easy for the person to access. Within a second or two, your website should be loading. 1, 2, 3 seconds, it should be up there. Because when someone visits your website and it's taking too long to load, he or she might get frustrated, get angry, and boom, leaves your website and will never return. All right, so that concludes how to choose a theme, how to install a theme. Remember what we said. Come to log into your WordPress dashboard, then hover to this very appearance, then click on themes, then go to add new. From add new, add theme. From add theme, you will see a list of themes to choose from. Then you can even research your ideas. Let's say, okay, let's do it again. Let's say I need to build something like construction company website. You can do it this way. Allow it to load up. Okay, you see themes for it. These are different themes for construction company. Once you install these themes, then you go ahead and build. After building, then you see that everything will appear the way it is here. Okay, don't worry, we'll do this. You will see how it works. I'll walk you through. We got you. All right, see you in the next class.